Before you invest in pig farming in Nigeria, watch this. If you are planning to invest in pig farming in Nigeria, or you already have a farm, this channel is definitely for you. Because most people lose money in pig farming. Not because farming does not work, but because they don't understand what really happens on the ground. But here, we show you real farm operations, real mistakes, real systems, which is not hype. If you want to avoid costly mistakes and understand farming properly, subscribe and follow the journey. Thanks for watching and welcome to our channel.